Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Instagram messages unsend problem. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to unsend your messages what you have sent on your Instagram, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. Guys, basically this is an application issue. First of all, you need to open your Play Store, then search for the Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating your Instagram, then go back, just tap on settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, then search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram, tap on storage and cache. Once tap on clear cache, and go back. That's it guys, so in this way you can fix Instagram message unsend problem. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.